everyone, and welcome. Patrick here with FashionGo, and I am here with the lovely
Jenny.
Jenny, with what brand?
Love Point.
Awesome. We are here with Love Poem. We do have a few brass tacks that I want to review here. 5% off all orders over $100, and that's for new buyers only. Also, we have a FashionGo promo happening where you can shop exclusive new spring-summer styles for 2025, new arrivals, and get free shipping on all pre-orders. All right, shall we dive in?
Sure.
All right, but you know what? First off, tell me a little bit about the brand.
Our name
Yes.
is Love Point.
Yes.
And then our label is Love Point too.
Awesome.
Okay.
I love that.
And we were here for about 2 years.
Okay.
And we have been growing very fast and become the top list for all the shoppers.
Love that.
When they hear
Yes.
we are the most trendy, fashion forward style carrier, and we also carries a lot of trendy, young, contemporary colors.
Love that. So shall we dive right into the line?
Sure.
Awesome. All right. So first off, we've got this fun little set. Tell us about that.
Okay, this is sets with sleeveless top and white leg pants. It also, the fabric is called crinkle rib.
Love crinkle rib.
Which is our bestseller silhouettes as well. And then we used to sell tons of solid color, and then so we upgraded with rhinestone.
Sure.
It good for a lot of occasions.
Yes.
Such as you can do like dinner, matching with heels.
Yeah, I love it. You can put this on with sneakers. You can put on with flats. You can put on with heels, boots like you're wearing. Very. You could also layer it with a jacket.
Yes,
as well.
yes.
Yeah, very neat style. And comes in many colorways. You can see there on the screen there the different colors. But one thing I love about the crinkle fabric is you can kind of just throw that in your bag and on vacation and go out and pull it out, and it's not wrinkled.
Yes.
Because it's already
yes,
pre-wrinkled.
Yes.
All right. Next up, tell us a little bit about this style we've got here.
This is a strapless jumpsuit with white flowy pants, and then we also added elastic belt
Yep, love
in
that.
order to highlight the waist, also complete the look.
So the belt comes with the garment.
Yes.
Love
yes,
that.
it's
Another thing is that I think that's really neat that the customer should see is that the belt, you can remove that. So if the belt, you don't like it so much, you can always take that out. I think that's important.
Yeah.
Something else about, I love the colors.
Yeah,
You know,
so-
Love Poem's really big about all the colorways and fabrications that they offer.
Yeah, we did. Those are new prints for the coming season.
Love it.
And then we want to make the style for different occasions wear. For example, the tropical prints and then florals. We can. It's good for vacation getaways.
Sure.
While the leopard is good for dinner with heels.
Sure. Love it. Beautiful. And again, it's in the wrinkled fabric. So it's one of the best-selling fabrics for Love Poem. And look, one thing as buyers, it's very important to know that when you purchase these styles, educate your customer on how they can wear it, right? Put a jacket on over it, put a cardigan all over it, and let them know the different shoe options and bag options that could go with this style. Very, very cute. All right, next up, you want to tell us about this style?
This is topless button-down with a little bit flare hem top.
Love it. Super cute.
And we use very stretchy, comfortable fabric to make it more for easy to fit for the body shape.
Yes.
And also with those flare hem is adding like feminine touch.
Sure, most definitely. I think this looks really cute with like, you know, your vintage jeans, torn up jeans, skinny jeans, or maybe just a solid black pant would look really cute, or a cute skirt. But very fun top to wear. You can layer these up with a blazer like you're wearing. Very easy. And another thing about this fabrication is it's four-way stretch.
Yes.
And
yes.
I know four-way stretch is extremely important. So in the same fabric, we have this fun pant. Tell us about this.
This is we offer this matching with the other top. This is a tailored flare pants with those pin tuck detail in front.
Love the pin tuck.
Also with butt lifter and then because the fabric is very stretchy, it's very enhanced the body shape. We want to make it as a set, but at the same time, customer can mix and match. Yes.
Yeah, mix and match. That's very important. I'm glad you said that. And 3 things about Love Poem that I know that you guys pride yourself on. First off is quality. The quality of these garments are superb, you all. I come from a production background, a couple of decades, and so I can see the quality is really there. The price, your price is very strong, right? So one of the strongest prices here in the downtown area.
Yeah.
And then third is colors. Love Poem is always bringing the fashion-forward colors, the brighter colors, kind of setting the trend, if you will. All right, next up, let's check out this fun, cute set.
This is a set with also tailored top with flared hem, and then matching with a mini skirt. But actually, this is a skirt.
Yeah, it comes with the bloomers under
Yeah,
it.
we try to make it easy to fit.
Yep.
And then also we upgraded a bag to a deep neckline for a modern look.
Love that. So a square neckline in the back.
Yes, here, right here.
Yep.
Oh. And then, so the fabric is also the stretchy knit fabric.
Very cute. And easy to wear. Think about all the ways you can style this. You can wear this, you know, the skirt, you can wear it separate, you can wear it together, you can mix and match the colors for your customer. Very fun there. Next up, we've got this cute skirt here.
This is pleated high waist skirt as well. So there comes with
Yeah, it has
little
the bloomers
panties
under
here.
there. Yep.
And then we match with this leather belt with bolt trim.
And the leather belt comes with the skirt,
With garment,
right?
yes.
That's awesome.
And we thinking about this pleated skirt is matching with any tops.
Yes.
And then can match with heels, boots,
Sure.
and sneakers.
Yeah, I love that. Think about like a vintage tee with the cute skirt with your Adidas, very fun. But you can also turn this on for the night as well.
Yeah, we also are bringing in new colors for
Great
the
to know.
season. This is the blue ink, and then we also have the flaming red.
Oh, very beautiful. Love that. And the most important thing that we have not mentioned yet, everything is in stock.
Yes.
Everything you
Yeah, we
see
can
here,
ship right away.
You don't have to wait a month. If you put your order in, let's say today before 1 o'clock, chances are we're going to ship the order preferably tomorrow, and you'll get it within a week, depending on where you live, of course. All right, let's talk about this fun style.
This is a relaxed fit cotton shirt. We adding pointed collar and then front pocket for modern look as well. And then we also added pleats here to adding more volume to give the customer a more relaxed, fun look.
Yeah, I love that. I love the shoulder little set-in piece. It kind of disrupts the eye. It doesn't look like your typical men's button-up. I also love the big box pleat in the back. It definitely adds volume. So think about this. You can put this on with your denim shorts. You can put this on with your black leggings, or a cute black skirt. Many ways that you can style. This is like, I would say, a staple.
Yeah, it's
item.
very easy to pair up. You can pair under with a crop top.
Yes.
You also can tuck in with a tailored pants.
Yeah, love it. Love that. Great styling tips. All right. This is probably my favorite style. All right, I have to say, very fun.
This is relaxed fit with elastic waistband and adjustable drawstring. The fabric is destroyed, give the vintage look.
But it's not destroyed all the way through. I want to make sure that
it's only
the first layer.
First layer,
right?
yes.
The inside, so it's a full jacquard. So the inside definitely is has a little lining behind those tears, so it's not see-through. All right.
Yeah, give it's just for the look.
Sure.
And give the customer a boho lingerie vibes.
Love it. So she said it, very boho feel. Think about this with your big floppy hat. Put it on after the beach or at the pool. Put on a vintage tee, a cute cami with this.
It also can match with or oversized shirt.
Yes, I love that. Kind of the classic look with more the vintage look. I think that's a great pairing. All right, next up. There you go.
This is our little cute one shoulder tank top, and with contrasting piping and then set strap, make it sporty look. We also adding a retro printed on the chest area. This is good. The fabric is fun rib, super soft, easy to fit.
Tons of stretch.
Yes.
Tons of stretch.
Yes.
So everything you've seen here thus far is 222, small, medium, large, and this is more group sizing, correct?
Yes.
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 Because there's so much stretch in this fabrication.
And then you can wear every day. You can wear for active, for daytime look, and we are thinking is also compare with a denim jacket.
Totally.
Or
Easy to
high
wear.
waist jeans.
Love that. I just want to show you all how much stretch is in this. Like, look, we can double the stretch here on this garment. So, thank you for that.
No problem.
That's why this style comes in 2 sizes. It comes in a small, medium, and then a medium large. All right. Oop. Let me hang this correct. There we go. All right. Next style. All right. This, for me, if I owned a store, I would have this in every colorway, 365.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Every day of the year, it's very important
Yeah.
to have these cute little tank tops.
This is a 2-layer look top, and we also add a little rose detail here for feminine look.
Sure.
And we make it adjustable strap to have more easy fit.
Beautiful.
It's kind of like, just like you said, it's everyday wear. You can match with a lightweight cardigan. You can also, in the summertime, you can match with shorts or sandals.
Yeah, very important. This is a staple I would have in my boutique going forward. It's good to have the fashion forward pieces and things, but it's also really nice to have the fashionable basics. All right, talk to us about this fun style.
This is our new style, inspired varsity look. We're adding straps on the neckline, and we also on the armhole to make it sporty and stylish.
Very cute.
We also use stretched fine rib seamless, so easy to fit, and then it's so simple and
easy to wear.
easier to wear to
Right?
match with any like jeans, skirt or pant.
Totally, I love this style. When you say when you say it's like a full fashion knit, it's seamless. There's no fabrication on this. It's actually knitted to this measurement.
There is no seaming.
So yeah, I think that's something very important that everyone needs to know. Also, the hand feel. Like, I know you can't touch this through the screen. Come on, Mark Zuckerberg, let's get that going, right? Let's be able to hand feel this through the screen. But beautiful hand feel on this garment.
Yes,
right?
and then the color is inspired by spring and summer 2025. It's very romantic colors.
Sure, love that. And you want to grab that last style,
sure.
the skirts there. Last but definitely not least. All right. And this could be worn as a set, correct?
Yeah, this is also the matching set we offered to complete our city look. So that's why we're adding strap on the waistband, and then we have the pleated fabric knit here, and then we also adding a seamless shorts inside.
Very cute.
For tennis wear, for
pickleball.
Yes, it's
all the
on
fun
trend.
activities.
And the customer also can mix and match. They can do with the sets, or they can match with any tops. And then if you want a very casual look, you can do hoodies and sneakers as well.
I love that. Very cute. Well, Jenny, thank you so much for your time here today. I absolutely love the line.
Thank you.
Looks very beautiful. Remember those 3 pinnacles of Love Poem: the quality, the price, and the beautiful colors that you've seen. Remember, everything is in stock,
Yes.
right? So chances are you get your order in today, we'll be able to ship it tomorrow.
Yes,
So on
yes,
behalf
right
of
away.
everyone here at FashionGo, thank you all so much and have a great day.
Thank you.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out all of our videos coming up.